Hey ladies, it's Nisi from the Shabby Painted Rose. And I did notice that little string there. But I just wanted to do this flip through of this beautiful Southern Sophia in blues and pinks. Isn't she gorge? Only one, ladies. Only one. She's absolutely gorge. So I'm going to do a flip through her. And this is also a Southern Sophia in vintage. If you could see the flowers here, I already did the multimedia, and I'm gonna repaint over the more clearer spots. I waited for it to dry so I could do it again. So she's not finished, but I did start her. She is the last of the brown pleather. Only one, ladies, that's it, with this beautiful Shabby Chic vintage button and material. Garments I purchased. There's going to be pockets here. Of course, she's a traveler's notebook. She's two of them. She's not finished. I'm going to fill her up. We know how it is. Not the pages, but all the covers and on the insides. But she's absolutely gorge. I've never done the artwork that I do on the pleather, but I do love it. I do have some more of this pleather, but it's not the same sizes. There'll be different sizes, but whatever's coming out. These are the new collections for spring and summer. And so they're going to be individuals. There's no redesigns and there's no doubles, ladies. When there are doubles, I'll tell you about it. But look at how gorge she is. Isn't she gorge? And look at this beautiful butterfly with soft, silky wings. And she's a clip, but she's glued. And then I did the bow. I put the ribbon. I love all the blues I've been getting throughout all of my purchases. She's stunning. Love her. She has a little envelope on the back, which I didn't put anything inside of. And the stitching on the side. She's quite chunky. Only one, ladies. I put the beautiful trims that I received. You saw them in packages. I'm going to add a few more items. My hands are freezing. On top of some of these pages, she's not completely 100%, but she's pretty much, as far as all the pages, signatures, and the lace goes. Now I'm going to put some extra ephemera pieces, and then she'll be, she's ready for sale. Please check your emails, VIPs and regular VIPs. Brenda has sent out all the emails this morning. So she has beautiful, lovely pages, of course, to journal on. Again, my customers love pages so they could journal. This is art paper. I have some more of this coming in too. And she's got, this is a flip envelope, so something go inside here. This is what I mean. I didn't fill up the extras yet, because I just wanted to get this video out here. Oh, I should check this because I have this. Oh yeah, it's perfectly fine. I ended up getting this vintage lovely in a shop also. That's for another, the clothes are another time. I'm getting there. It takes time. It takes time. Hopefully everybody had a wonderful Easter. I am going to be creating lovelies to match the vintage clothing and some of the jumpsuits that I got. I'm working on it. Everything's being worked on as we speak, little by little. So she has lovely pages. There's a lot of sewing in here, the clear tags. This is a printable from a shop. I think that's the name, actually. Let's see. This is a shop. I want to put this lady out here. I hope my booties aren't showing on my feet. But not that it matters. We all know I'm home. All right, so let's see. I'll pull up this. So this is French writing, and there's going to be letters going inside of those envelopes. Let me show you her shop. Here it is right here. I purchased it for this because I just printed these out and put these together, and now I'm making some of these beautiful envelopes, and there's the papers to go in them. That's the cost of them. And I'm going to be bringing these out. These are going to be pouch. I'll tell you about them later. I don't want to put it out yet. Oh, she's got a 10%. Thank you there. So here's her shop on Etsy. Take a minute. She has beautiful French papers. Love, love, love. I've been speaking to her. She's a wonderful girl. So I'll be putting the French sheet inside that envelope, and then on the opposite side there's another envelope. So actually there's two envelopes here. This one is a card to be used. Everything's going to have, all spots are going to be filled with lovely. So there's two different envelopes there, okay, on that flip. And let me tell you about washi tape. Washi tape could be a pain in the rear, but that's what glue is for. So yep, we have everything that matches the washi tape. If washi tape comes up, get your glue sticks out, ladies. Don't complain about washi tape. There's nothing we could do about washi tape. Get your glue sticks out and re-stick it. That's it. It's simple. Unless you want to take it off and use it somewhere else. I would suggest leave it there and if you're going to do that. If not, a little glue stick goes a long way. Beautiful hanky. I did not put what I was going to put in here. There's going to be two beautiful pieces going there. There's not much more going in here, but there is going to be ephemera pieces in these empty spots. But didn't it come out lovely? And this is the washi tape that I made with my label machine that I've showed you on videos by using others' printables, and you put it through the machine. Now, I have as much washi tape as I'm ever going to buy. I am now making it with the label sheets because it will stick and never come up. Okay, and that way you get a lot of the prints that you actually want as washi tapes. You could do it with washi paper, which is quite expensive. You could do it with label paper, which is much cheaper. Print it on the label, cut it as whatever way you want, and stick it down, and that's your washi tape. This is a machine I purchased years ago, and I buy it by the rolls. And it comes out on one sheet, and then I could just cut up whatever I want. So she's beautiful. She has many different colors in her sewing. Lots of different washi tapes. Cute little spot there. Number 2. And then there's a little pocket there because she's got lace on her. Just lots of room. Lots of room. Lots of color in here. Lots of lovelies. Lots of washi tapes. Lots of printables. And a lot of ephemera. And this beautiful fabric. I'm not talking to you, Alexa, so that's why. And then this beautiful piece as the cover on this one. This is the cover on that one. We know this is Tim Holtz. And lots of lovelies I collected on the way. Here's another one of her envelopes. I'm going to put a letter in there. And then this is a full. It's got the Italian. These are the Italian sheets inside of this signature. So there's Italian and French writing in this journal. And authentic vintage garments. Beautiful, right? Stunning. She's stunning. Only one, ladies. That's it. Whoever gets her. She is chunky and she is heavy. She is my new style for 2026. Price, you can't go wrong on my prices, and she's gorge. Just one, ladies. You need to jump in because same with this one once I finish her. And then I'm going to flip it around and show you something over there. But I want to show you what I did. I am like a little tired of making the journal covers. Not for my journals, but for all the ephemera books because I have 12 of them made. So I went looking in where all the books are, you know, that I take apart. And I thought, So I'm going to make a cover for this. Love the spine. I'm going to keep the spine showing. And I'm going to peel this off, but another story. And I'm going to make a cover with whatever I want to use. I don't know if it's going to be cards. I don't know what it's going to be. Whatever I choose to do the cover with, I'll bring it back and show you. But anyway, so I went and I got the large one because I have a lot of large ones. And I just ripped out pages in between. Chunky pages. Nothing in particular. Nothing in particular. And then I put the plastic pockets. Because I need one just for that, all the extra stuff that you have laying around. You were designing, you don't want to put it all back. And then I refilled all my books, so I thought this is going to be perfect for this. So this is like my extra. I'm going to do a cover today, so she's done for myself. But as you can see how I just ripped them out just to make space in between so you can fill them up. This is too simple, ladies. We all have these books. And then I'm going to start on my smaller ones just to save me cardstock and time for making these covers. This is so much easier. It's quick and easy. And you can get as many as you want. This is what I did with the large one because I'm going to end up filling all these up. As you can see, back here I put tags, the envelopes I'm going to be working on next. I finished these. These are a couple extra pieces I found I put in here. And of course that paper. And it's able to withstand it. So once I do a cover, which I'm going to do this week, I'll bring it back out on a quick flip. The tiny pieces aren't going to sit in there. They're really not for the chipboards. I have chipboards and something else. So that's what I did to start a new ephemera holder. And that's basically on all the extra stuff. You know how it goes. We all have extra. So anyway, I'm going to flip that real quick, but she's available. And she's available. She's gorge, gorge, gorge. She is so Southern Shabby Chic. I'm loving this and going to be doing a lot more colors with these. And I also have a very pretty sagey mint green ribbon that I'm going to show you. So hold that thought for a sec. Oh, these are still waiting to be picked up. Or shipped out, I mean. They're going out Friday, hopefully. And again, this one is being finished this week. She is the pleather. I'm going to sew the signatures in and finish her. Absolutely stunning. The brooch is stunning. I have about 5 brooches left. This is Sophia's in Paris. She is sold. And I just want to show you that that's Sophia number 1. Okay. Almost lost it with the left hand. And this is Sophia number 2 in Paris, which I did not finish like I had on the clips. I am working on her. But this is the collection. They're not in a series due to the amount. I'm only selling, I'm not sure, 3 or 4 of them. And then Sophia's in Paris will be sold out. She's stunning. She is going to have some of this on it. And then different laces and different ephemera inside it will not be the same as this. It will be completely different, as she has the Battenberg on her, and she does not. They're completely different. Those are Book of the Months. They can't be remade. And honestly, we never even got to high enough on the giveaway. I'm sorry, ladies. I told you it had to been 25 or more. Because she is $160, but she is an order that's going out. And then the few other orders. I'm really sorry. I would love to give away, you know, almost $200 worth of journals to a couple of people, but it's just not amicable for me and my time and the cost of what I put into it. It's just not. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do giveaways on YouTube. There's just not enough activity going on throughout all of my journals and commenting, and that's just the way that it is. But you can certainly get ideas off my channels because that's what they're for. And basically, they're actually just for my customers because that's where they get to see what they want to get. So that's the story. I've given away thousands of dollars worth of products from my other channel in the beginning because the comments were amazing. This one is just taking off, and we'll see what happens in the future. So, okay, ladies, 1. Only 1. The pleather, only 1. Get to the girls an email. They're no longer doing messages through Instagram and Facebook. It's just too much. They're running around like crazy. Only 1, ladies. And she's going to be much higher as she's an art journal. She's gorge. She's going to be gorge. So 1, 1, 1. That's 4 that are available right at the moment. Oh, and somebody asked me about this Book of the Month. Now this book of the month could be redesigned, but she's not a redesign. She's a new collection. Okay. The prices are different on them when you buy them as a package compared to when you buy them individually. So just get to the girls an email. If you're still interested, she'll give you the price, and that will be that. So I'm just going to like, it's so packed in here. It's so packed in here. Let me say it again before you see it. So packed in here. I'm going to have lots going on there. Probably a little too much info there, but I'll take care of that in a minute. Packed. The garments, there's just no more room for the garments. But anyway, I got the new sewing machine. I have so much that I have to put away. That's what I'm trying to do at the moment, is put things away. So that's where we are. And I have a ton of journals waiting to go out. And I think there's actually 6 that are available right now. That's what I'm putting up as the 4 that are available. And to the gentleman who made the remark about my Monstera. She's looking good now. She is, isn't she? And that is my beautiful vintage dress that I just purchased, and we'll see you soon. Have a lovely, lovely couple of weeks. I'm a busy girl, and I will be back. And VIPs, get Brenda an email. Bye for now.